हाय स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू एच ऑफ एजुकेशन। आज भी मैं स्टार्ट करमा 9th क्लास इंग्लिश बुक रो द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट रो क्वेश्चन आंसर माने। तो चलो बोले स्टार्ट करमा द प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट रो जिते क्वेश्चन आंसर अच्छी। तो देखो बोले क्वेश्चन पहला गाना कहूँ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्स्ट। तो व्हाट डिड द राइटर्स एक्सप्रेस इन द रेस्टोरेंट्स, व्हाट डिड ही नोटिस हियर। तो ऑल्स अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस आर हियर्स। तो सो पिले ए क्वेश्चन मन के आम जिते क्वेश्चन अच्छे तो ये सब क्वेश्चन आंसर कण अच्छे तार आम सल्व करमा जेनटा लिखिकी अणा है बोले देख। तो बोले देख फास्ट क्वेश्चन काଣା कहते आमके व्हाट डिड द राइटर्स एक्सपीरियंस इन द रेस्टोरेंट्स। तो राइटरटा रेस्टोरेंट ताकर एक्सपीरियंस काଣା थिला। तो पिले आंसर काଣା अच्छे द राइटर्स विजिट वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट्स in London at about 1 p.m. It was crowded with customers enjoy their lunch. During the meals, he noticed a young girl repeatedly looking at him with curiosity. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर मिला। देन जिमा में सेकंड क्वेश्चन आंसर के तो व्हाट डिड ही नोटिस हियर। तो काना को आंसर मिले ही नोटिस ए यंग गर्ल्स with large sorrowful eyes sitting nearby. She seemed deeply interested in him. Before leaving, she quite asked the cashier whether the writers was an Indian. तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन सल्ला बोले। देन थर्ड क्वेश्चन तो व्हाट आर द राइटर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ऑफ द गर्ल। तो कण इंप्रेशन थिला से गर्ल रो राइटर ऊपर देखो बोले द गर्ल्स एपियर टू बी अराउंड 13 or 14 year old. She was simple cloth, looked poor and had an innocent face with gentle manner and expressive sad eye. तो थर्ड क्वेश्चन गला। देन जिमा में फोर्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट मेड द राइटर सरप्राइज। तो राइटर कहीं सरप्राइज ही दिले। द राइटर वाज सरप्राइज बिकॉज द गर्ल्स कीप्ट वाचिंग हिम थ्रू आउट हिज मेल लेटर्स। ही लर्न दैट ही हैड आस्क्ड द कैशियर अबाउट हिज नेशनलिटी। देन क्वेश्चन 5 जिमा व्हाट डिड ही इंक्वायर फ्रॉम द कैशियर। कैशियर काଣା इंक्वायरी करथले देखमा बिले कैशियर थारो कैशियर अबाउट द गर्ल्स बिहेवियर। शी राइट आस्क्ड the cashier who she has and where she went to know whether he was an Indian. तो फिफ्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन गला। देन आम सिक्स्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन के बिले सिक्स्थ नंबर क्वेश्चन काଣା कहूँ आमके व्हाट इनफॉरमेशन डिड ही गेट फ्रॉम द कैशियर। तो कैशियर ठारू काଣା इनफॉरमेशन पहला बिले द कैशियर टोल्ड हिम दैट द गर्ल्स वर्क इन ए नियर बाय शॉप लिव विथ हर widow mothers in poverty and come to the restaurants only on Saturday because it has her payday. 7 question जमा बे where did he writer go on the next Saturday। तो आंसर करना चाहिए the following Saturday the writers returns to the same vegetarian restaurants hoping to meet the girls again। तो 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन काना कहला पिले What did he arrange the chairs opposite here? He deliberately sat opposite the girl so that he could speak with her and discover why she had no such interest in him. Then 9 number question jema. तो 9 number question काना कहछे What query did the girls make about the writers? She politely asked whatever he asked. He was an Indian and he lived in Indian because her elder brother Frank was serving there as a soldier. Then 10 number question what impression did the writer have about the girl's family? The writer realized that Maggie and her mothers were poor but honest, affectionate and deeply devout to Frank, who was the only support of their family. Then you will 11 number question. How 11 number question काना कहछे how was the writer treat at Maggie house? Who welcomed him? तो answer the writer received a warm and respectful welcome. Maggie and her mother Mr. Califord greeted him with kindness and made him feel like a member of their family. देन यहाँ बिले 11 नंबर के गला देन 12 नंबर तो व्हाट वाज मिस्टर कैलिफोर्ड doing when the writers meet her? Where was she unwilling to shake hand? तो मिस्टर आंसर कहला मिस्टर कैलिफोर्ड was busy making cake. Since her hands were covered with flour, she politely avoiding shaking hand with the writer. Then 13 number question. What did Maggie usually visit the restaurants on Saturday? Answer. She visited the restaurant only on Saturday because that was the day she received her weekly wage and could afford to a proper meal. Then question 14. What did Mr. Culliford believe about the rings? Answer. Mr. Culliford believed that Frank ring possessed magical power and could reveal whatever he was alive and safe by simply looking into it. Then question 15. So, what made the writers tell a lie about the rings? Answer. Seeing Mr. Culliford's serious illness and constant anxiety about Frank, the writers printed that the ring so Frank was alive and healthy, hoping to comfort her. Then jema question 16 and the to 16 ke jo did telling the lie benefit Mr. Culliford? Answer. Yes, the writer comforting lie remove her fear and worry. It gives her emotional peace and helps improve her health. Then question 17. What did the writer feel guilty about himself? Answer. The writer later discovered that Frank had already died in battles. He felt guilty because he had unknowingly given false hope to Frank's loving mother. To question 18. So, what was Maggie give to the writers? The answer. Maggie gave the writers a precious shillings and requested him to place flowers on Frank's grave in India. Then question 19. Where was it a priceless gift? Answer. Although it was only 1 shilling, it represented Maggie's sacrifice, hard works, boundless love for her mothers. Its emotional value was far greater than its monetary worth. Then question 20 and the last question in this chapters. So did Maggie love such mothers dearly? Gives reasons. The answer. Yes, Maggie loved her brothers deeply. She constantly prayed and worried for Frank's safety, and then since she treasures everything connected with him, and she sacrificed her own earning to honor his memory by sending flowers to his grave. And the last point is her actions show her unconditional love, respect, and lifelong affection for the brothers. The question is in and the next chapter was coming. So the students, the channel is like, subscribe and share. तो पहले देखो चैनल के लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करो आउ नेक्स्ट चैप्टर तार नेक्स्ट पार्ट भी आसुचे पहले तो चैनल के सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन के जदि क्लिक करबो तो तार नेक्स्ट पार्ट भी पारबो सो थैंक यू।